Today I'm making a root beer float cake. I'm gonna take my crock pot and spray it with my oil, my refillable oil sprayer. Absolutely love it. I'm using double food cake mix. Then we're going to pour our cake mix in and our A&W soda. Going to get this all mixed around. Oh, that smells so good. Vanilla pudding mix and my milk. And we are going to pour this right in the center of our cake mix. Then we're gonna put a towel over the top with a lid and bake this in our crock pot. Okay, I had my towel here to collect the condensation. Ooh, now I went about half an hour longer than I should have, but it's okay. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to top it with some whipped cream or whipped topping. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna taste this because my family is not home. So I'm gonna taste test it. That is surprisingly good. I'm kind of shocked. I never thought root beer float for a cake. Yep, give this one a try. It's pretty delicious.